In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive automation in Wix. Archiving an automation is really useful when you don't want it running anymore, but you also don't want to completely lose the setup you've created. Maybe you're cleaning up old workflows, testing new ones, or pausing a seasonal campaign. Instead of deleting everything and starting from scratch later, you can simply archive it and bring it back whenever you need. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and you're in the correct site dashboard, the one that contains the automation you want to archive. From your site's dashboard, look for the automation section. This is usually available from the left-hand sidebar. Click on Automations to open the page where all your active and custom automations are listed. Once you're on the Automations page, you'll see a list of your existing automations. Find the specific automation you want to archive. Take a moment here to double check you've selected the right one, especially if you have several with similar names or similar triggers. It's a good habit to briefly review what that automation does before you proceed. Next, move your mouse over the automation you want to archive. On the right side of that row, you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Actions menu. Click on those 3 dots. This opens a small menu with a few options related to that specific automation. From this menu, look for the option labeled Delete and click on it. Now, this might sound a bit confusing because we're talking about archiving, not actually deleting. In Wix, the option to archive is presented as part of the delete process. So don't worry, you're not immediately erasing your automation by clicking Delete here. After you click Delete, Wix will show you a confirmation prompt. In that prompt, you'll see an option called Archive Automation. This is the one you want to choose. Click on Archive Automation to confirm. By doing this, you're moving the automation out of your active list and into an archived state, where it won't run or affect your site, but the configuration is still saved. Once it's archived, the automation will disappear from your active automations list, keeping things organized and easier to manage. If you